Hello, students. How are you? I would like to say stay home, stay safe. Today we will discuss about block 1 germination of seed. It is our part 3 as we have discussed about the seed germination process in part 1 and types of parts of seed and their functions also. And in the second part we have discussed about the factors affecting germination. So today we are going to discuss about explain that different type of seed take different time to germinate. We discussed it already, but here we will discuss it again. Differentiate between various stages of germination. Yes, we will discuss this because these are very important part and we are going through this the amount of time it takes for a seed to germinate depends on many factors. The most important factors are the type of species and variety of seeds. First of all, we want to know about the type of seed. What are the species of seed? So, students, there are many kind of seeds. Like here you can say moong and gram. These are also seeds. And date palm seed. These are also seeds. So, what do you think? Which will sprout first? Will moong sprout first or date palm or gram? Yes, correct. Moong will sprout first and date palm it will take a longest I can say that it will take longest time to sprout because it is very hard. It is very hard. You can see here and whenever you touch it this is very hard, so it will take a long time to sprout. So these are different species of seeds. Secondly, how it is sown. Second is how it is sown. How we sow any seed inside the soil. इस पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि हमने एक सीड को किस तरह से बोया है. इफ़ दे आर सोन प्रॉपरली then they will germinate definitely. If they are sown very closer to each other then they will not germinate. All the seeds will not germinate, some of them will germinate. And the third one is the type of soil and local climate where it is sown. I want to say about the type of climate. So here students you can see that this is dry soil. You can see here dry soil. Can you think that any seed will germinate over here? I don't think so because there is no water or lack of water will be there. So I don't think then any seed will germinate there. In moist soil, this is proper climate condition for the germination of seed. So in this case you can see green grasses coming out of the soil and weather is very nice also. So here seed definitely germinate. So now we will talk about the different seeds take different amount of time to germinate. Seed consists of embryo. Students, now you are familiar with this term that different seeds take different amount of time to germinate. Seed consists of embryo. Yes, this is the internal part of the seed. This embryo remains in a dormant state. As we studied about the embryo, this is in sleeping stage at the initial time until they are exposed to favorable condition. Yes, we know about the favorable condition. Yes, think about it. Okay, they are warmth, air and water. Okay, when they attain the favorable condition they start germinating. So dear students, if we are providing same favorable conditions to all of the seed, then they will take different time to germinate. So here something interesting. Wow, looking so good. What are these things? You can imagine. Yes, here I'm giving you this that these are seed bombs. See, what are seed bombs? Do you know about them? These contain seed inside the soil. We can throw them wherever we go and help the nature to spread everywhere. And nature is so beautiful, so we should help the nature to spread everywhere. And you can dry them and put in your poly bag or any paper bag, so you can take them away from your house and throw them just away wherever you get the conditions for the germination of seed. So it is very good work, and I think you will definitely do it, students. So I'm asking you about to do so. Okay, next one is extreme cold climate. Yes, we should talk about it also, as we talked about the hot and dry soil and moist soil. So climate, how does it affect the seed germination process? Actually, climatic conditions affect the seed germination, because if we think about any hot climate, it will germinate in the moist condition. But if we talk about the extreme climate, extreme cold climate, the seed will not germinate, or it will germinate very slowly. So now we will talk about the stages of germination. The process of germination occurs in different stages. Some stages in the germination of a dicot seed are as follows. Here you are provided dicot seed, and this process is germination for dicot seed only. The seed absorbs water and seed coat bursts. In this case, you can see when we soak the seed, it absorbs water. Okay? And what goes after that? Seed coat burst. The radicle comes out first, anchors the seed to soil. Radicle, that is future root, it anchors the soil first, so that it can stand upright the plant. It grows to form the primary root. Yes, you know about that. And absorb minerals and waters from the soil for the baby plant. So students, it anchors the soil, and also it absorbs water and nutrients from the soil for the baby plant, because initially it is getting the food from the cotyledon, but after finishing its food from the cotyledon, when cotyledon dry away and it falls off, then it will take water and nutrients from the soil. The third one is the plumule. They emerges out the seed as leaves, and the stem straightens up. The leaves start making food for the plant. So here you can see over here the cotyledon is there, but in this case this cotyledon is sprouted, and also first leaf is coming out. This first leaf is known as plumule. And in the last stage, what is happening? So interesting it is. The cotyledons generally becomes dry and fall off. Now cotyledon is dry and it will fall off. The stages of seed germination can be different in dicot and monocot seeds. As you know, there are two kind of seeds, dicot and monocot. Monocot, they have only one cotyledon, and dicot, they have two cotyledon inside it. So you can see here and understand properly. First of all, we have to take a seed, and then it will sprout. First root comes out, it grow downward, there are few tiny hairs and absorb water and minerals from the soil. Next is seedling comes out, and it starts growing toward the sunlight. Plumule start growing toward the sunlight. And then mature plant formed. The mature plant has leaves, roots, stem, flower and fruits. Flower produce fruits and new plants. So as you know that seeds are reproductive unit of the plant. And we get seed from flower and fruit. Yes. Next one is This is your worksheet, and in your worksheet S3 you will get the question. Radha kept, first question is, Radha kept the seeds of maize and groundnut to sprout under the same conditions. Will they take the same time to sprout? Why or why not? I think it is very easy now because you have studied about that. The time taken by different seeds to sprout is different, so they will not germinate at the same time because seeds are different. Maize and groundnut. Maize is monocot, groundnut is dicot. Maize has very thin seed coat, and groundnut has very thick seed coat. Next one is, do all dicot seeds take the same time to germinate? Design an experiment which will help you to understand this. I will take 5 seeds, each of gram and pea. Both are dicot seeds, है ना? I will put them in moist cotton. Actually, we are going to provide all the conditions to germinate. I will keep them at the same temperature and will know that date and time of setting. Setting up the experiment, I will give them the same amount of water each day. I will note the date and time when I observe them germinate. This will help me know whether they will take the same time to germinate or not. So this is the experiment by which we can get to know about the seed are taking same time to germinate or not. Next one, Ram and his friends live in two different cities of India. One lives in city in North India and the other lives in a city in South India. They both keep Rajma seeds to sprouting in the month of December, keeping all the other conditions same. Will the seeds take the same time to sprout? Why or why not? As we all know about these weather conditions, if it is extreme cold, the seed will take long time to germinate. So here answer is no, seeds will not take the same time to germinate. As the climate of both the cities is different, the amount of moisture and temperature affect the time taken for the seeds to germinate. So here your worksheet S3 is completed. Now we will discuss worksheet S2, S4. That is stages of germination. In first case, explain what is happening in each stages of germination. Over here you can say the seed swells and the radicle appears. This is white fiber structure, that is radicle. So after swelling it will comes out and seed coat burst. In the second case, these are the roots, and this is what? This is leaf, plumule. The radicle grows in a downward direction and hair-like structure is formed. It starts to look like roots. Plumule or leaf-like structure appears. The third one is, in this case you can see this plant is standing straight. The plumule comes out of the soil and the shoot becomes straight. Yes, now shoot is straight. So what do you think? This is what? This is root. It anchors the soil to stand straight the plant. It helps to plant to stand upright. In the last one, the plumule forms leaves and the cotyledon fall off. Now there is no cotyledon because there is no need of cotyledon. Now leaf can make the food for the plant with the help of sunlight, water and air. And roots are developed properly so they can absorb water and nutrients from the soil. So here this process is completed. Next one is, how is the formation of seedling in plants similar to the formation of babies in animals? Do you think it is similar? Yes, sometimes it's similar. When a seedling is formed from a seed, it happens in many stages, as we studied about the many stages of the seed germination. Here, just like the babies of animals pass through many stages, the seedling is independent and performs all the activities like breathing and making food for the plant, just like baby breathes and digests food. So students, we can see over here that there are some similarity between us and plants. So now we are going to finish our this block 1, and these all the things which I told you about. So dear students, bye bye. We will meet in the next block 2, and till then, bye.